So in this video, you'll learn how to insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the A36 is a dual SIM phone, but for this video, I'll just be showing you how to insert one singular SIM card. So when it comes to inserting a SIM card, you have to start by ensuring that you have a pin so that you can eject the SIM tray. So this is a SIM ejector tool. You'll normally receive one whenever you purchase a phone. But if you've lost one or you don't know where your box is, then you can always choose to just use a paper clip or even an earring, just something with a pointed end that you can actually insert into the small port of the SIM tray. Once you have your tool, then just look at the bottom of the phone and you'll notice the SIM tray right there on the left hand side of the charging port. So grab your tool and insert it into the small hole there, and then you want to push down to eject the tray. You can see the tray has popped out a bit, and you'll even see this notification on your screen telling you that the SIM tray has been removed. So just drag it out gently, and then you should see the option for SIM 1 here, and then underneath there's the option for SIM 2. So you can put 2 physical SIMs inside your A36. So grab your SIM card and then choose whether it's going in SIM 1 or SIM 2. And then you want to ensure that the metal end is facing the top. So it should be something like this whenever you're placing it on the SIM tray. If you've chosen to put it as SIM 2, then again, ensure that the metal part is facing up. And so once you've put the SIM card on the SIM tray, you then want to go back and insert the SIM tray back into its port. And then you want to push in like that. When this notification disappears from your screen, it means that your SIM card and your SIM tray has been successfully detected by your phone and they've been added. So once that's happened, you can see the SIM manager has appeared here, and it means the SIM card has been registered successfully by our device. And we can start using the SIM card, on your phone. If this doesn't pop up on your screen, then I would recommend going to the Settings app, going to Connections, tapping on SIM Manager, and then you'll still be able to see the exact same information. If you've chosen to add 2 SIMs, then you can actually come here and customize which SIMs are going to be for calls, messages, and even mobile data. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about how to insert a SIM card into your A36, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.